Nyumba ya 3 bedroom, nyumba ya 4 bedroom, nyumba ya 5 bedroom inaweza kucost pesa ngapi? This is one of the hardest question kwa Kenyans kujibiwa, na I have come to simplify this for you because najua mnateseka sana na unadhania rates fulani ni mzuri, kumbe maybe inaweza kuweko below yenye inafaa na unapata umejengewa nyumba maybe substandard. If you want to build a very good house na very long lasting house, kuna construction costs in Kenya per square meter. So what you do, unachukua, combine, maybe unataka nyumba bedrooms zako ziko hizo 3 na a certain size, una take the sizes in square meter, una divide na ama una multiply na construction cost per square meter. For example, if you want a 3 bedroom house yako ikue sitting room a certain size, dining certain bedrooms this size, una combine zote, let's say you get 120 square meters. Kama umepata 120 square meters, what you do, unachukua hiyo 120 square meters, you multiply it by 40,000, between 40,000 to 100,000, depending on the kind of finishes and the kind of materials utatumia. Let's, in this example, wacha tutumie the lowest, which is 40,000 per square meter. If you multiply 120 times 40,000 per square meter, what you get is 4.8. Na 3 bedroom yako inaweza cost maybe 4.8 million to completion, na hakuna anything else unaongeza ama unalipa any other labor kando na materials. So 120 square meters, if you multiply that by 40,000 per square meter, you get 4.8, and that is the construction cost. 120 square meter 3 bedroom house.
People, hi. Welcome back again to our Garitech channel. Today we are back to our same house, our 3B mansion, and this is the layout for our house. We are done with the walling, and this is how so far where we are now. We are done with the walling. Now we are left with our ring beam. So this is the course. I've put 10 courses, so it means our house will be thermo insulated. Because our ceiling height will be so raised to control the temperatures, high and low temperatures. As you can see, today we have done formwork. This is formwork for columns. So we are going to do concreting tomorrow for our columns. That's why we have done formwork. It means now our house is ready to be concreted columns by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's work is for columns, and this is the layout for the house. Actually, this is our sitting room. As you can see, I've put this window here because our house is facing opposite to the sun, where the sun sets, and that's why I've put this window, an L window, that's beginning from the 3rd course, which is from 900 above the foundation level to the ring beam. So this space we are going to put a tinted glass. We are going to put a tinted glass, a window for this, for at least our house to get some sufficient light and sufficient ventilation. We also have good spaced windows, as you can see. These are windows. Now you can see this is a 1.5 wide window for our house. That means now in terms of light and ventilation, our house will receive good ventilation, fresh air, good light. We can move. So this one, we have put an opening here where we're going to develop an arch. So this is an opening because this is our big sitting room, whereby our arrangement for the interior design, we are going to show it in the next video for when that process reaches. That's why we have put our opening here. Opposite to the sitting room, we have our dining. So the dining is also open, and we are going to make a raised dining with the sunken sitting room. So this is our dining, and as you can see, also the ventilation for the dining, we have put 2 windows. Window 1 with 1.5 meters wide, and window 2 with 1.2 meters. So it means this house is very well ventilated, very well provided with sufficient light to avoid technical pressures. As we move now through our corridor, now this is our corridor that's supplying us to the rooms. So here, as we walk, we have a resting area. This is the closet. If you want now to rest, if you want to do what, this is where you're going to rest. We are also going to put some we are going to put a window here when you're doing finishing, so that at least when you're coming, when you're tired, you want to get well, or you're out of your room, you well dressed, you see yourself. This is now a closet. Then as we move there, you can see we have bedroom 2. This is bedroom 2. This is bedroom 2. As you can see, this is bedroom 2 on our east elevation. So this bedroom, we have also put a very wide window, because we have only put one window, but wide, so that we make sure that we have, even as you can see the direction of sun, it receives sunlight. As you can even see from you can see my shade. That means in terms of light and the ventilation, our house is well ventilated. So for this is bedroom 2. And next, now we are going to bedroom 1. So we are going to bedroom 1. This is bedroom 1. Because of for now we don't have enough light from the other side, and I decided to design. I designed 2 windows for this bedroom. So there are 2 windows for window 1, window 2. With one window 1.2 meters and another window, this one I put it 1.5 meters. All in all, for the sake of light, for the sake of ventilation. So for this place, we are going to, this is our this place, I'll put it for the wardrobe. So this is a space for our wardrobes, you know. That's why we put this wall here. You can maybe ask, why are you putting this wall inside the bedroom? So this is the space for our wardrobe. We are going to raise 150 millimeter slab here for a platform for our wardrobe that is in the previous in the upcoming level of work. As we can move here now through the corridor. We have a toilet here. This is our toilet that separates room 1 and room 2. We have 2 reasons for this, and you can see it's very hidden. Nobody can realize that there is a toilet, a common toilet in this house, unless someone walks around this corridor. If you walk along this corridor is when you will realize that we have a common toilet. So our rooms are very much arranged. Also, it acts as a sound insulator, separates the sound between this room and the other room. The bedroom 1, the noise from bedroom 1 and noise from bedroom 2 can be insulated or separated by this toilet. So it has 2 good functioning, toilet and a bed, as well as bathroom. And we have also done, you can see, this is pointing for plumbing. We did it, and I mentioned when we were doing concreting. So this is we are going to put our hand wash basin here. Already it is piped, so it's just installing directly without chasing our good made foundation. We also have these points for toilet and another one for a floor trap. So when you're bathing, this is where you are going to drain your water outside the house. Another water when you are mopping, this is where we are going to put our floor trap. So this is our toilet. Another thing, as we move now, we can go now. I didn't mention our master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. You can see how now you can get into the master bedroom, you know, as you're walking. You don't just get into the master bedroom directly. If you get, you'll find a wall here. It means if you're a visitor, you are not be able to access the master bedroom because of privacy. And you know, a master bedroom requires a lot of privacy, maximum privacy. And that is why we have designed this master bedroom to be so very much private. And it has a closet here. This is where now, if you have, when you're tired, you can put your shoes, you can put your bag, you can put here, and then now you get into the bedroom, into the master bedroom. So as you can see, the master bedroom is very spacious, very, very spacious. Everything in our master bedroom is well arranged. So we have this wall here. We have a space here for our wardrobe. So this is where we are going to put our wardrobe. It's very, very private. Nobody can access it, as you can see. So nobody can access the owners, the way of clothing, anything that the owner is going to, the owner of this building is going to put here. So this is the space for our wardrobe. Same way, you can see the window that I put almost a 2-meter window. This 1.8 meters window, 1.8 meters window that we have put into the master bedroom. I have ensured that this master bedroom has sufficient air ventilation, circulation of air. It has sufficient light, because light is the most important thing in our house, and also ventilation is the most important thing in our house, because Garissa receives a low altitude with high temperatures. So at the same our master room is ensuite. Our master room is ensuite. So master bedroom, I mean, is ensuite. This is the WC, not the WC. This is the bathroom, and also the toilet for this master bedroom. As I mentioned, from the other bedroom, toilet. So this is where we are going to put our toilet, and this is our floor trap. So the water from this room, bathing water and even the mopping water, we are going to drain it from this point where we are going to put our floor trap. We have another pipe here. This is where we are going to connect our hand wash basin. Now when you are done with your things, you just wash your hands, then return back to the master bedroom. So as you can see how our house is very, very well and nice arranged. You can see and even comment in the comment section how the design of this house. You can tell us if you also have any suggestion. You can see. And here, this is our kitchen. This is our kitchen room. As you can see here, we put this is our serving window. So the serving window is from the kitchen, whereby we are going to serve the food and any necessities that are from the kitchen. We are going to serve the people from this dining house. So this is the dining room, and it's going to receive its necessities from the kitchen. And you can see we also have a point here. We are going to put a floor trap. So the drainage from the house, we don't need it to sweep it away or to mop it away. So this is the floor trap. You don't struggle to remove the water. We will drain our water from this point. And the same, therefore we have our store. This is our store. Now the pantry, kitchen pantry. So this is where we are going to, this is our kitchen pantry. Now moving outside, this is the rear porch, which we call the kitchen yard. So this is the kitchen yard. I mentioned it several times in our when some processes back there, previous processes. So this is our kitchen yard. As you can see, this homework is yet to be done. It will be done tomorrow. We will show you in the next video. So this is the homework that has been done today, and you can see this is the whole layout for this house. Very massive, well designed, well given, with nice environment. As you can see, even the foundation is well raised. So everything is in position. Everything has followed the construction, building and construction codes of the country 2017. So this is our house. You can see this is our house, and it's within a plot 100 by 50, 50 by 100 plot. So as you can see, and if you have any comment in the comment section, you just suggest, you just tell us. If we have done any mistakes, also tell us so that we can learn from that. If you have any positive suggestion, this is our house and this is the process and this is so far where we have gone. Tomorrow we are going to show you what we are going to do. We are going to concrete our columns for tomorrow, and we will show you in the following process. So for today, that is what we had to tell you, good people. Don't forget to comment, share and like our videos from this channel. Thank